we're going to a different economy, and we're going to be learning more about that as we go. But clearly, we're learning that things can be done from remote locations. We're learning that technology can replace people even more than we thought.
We're not going back to the same economy. We're recovering, but to a different economy, and it'll be one that is more leveraged to technology. And I worry that that is going to make it even more difficult than it was for many workers.
In Silicon Valley, and my friends who work in technology know that what we did to the manufacturing workers, we are now going to do to the retail workers, the call center workers, the fast food workers, the truck drivers, and then even bookkeepers, accountants, insurance agents, lawyers, and on through the economy. So what happened to the manufacturing workers is a very clear sign.
This effort. And China has big plans for this. They intend to seed their digital yuan into the global environment by giving it away to visitors at next winter's Olympics. When they arrive at the airport, they're going to get yuan digital wallets. They're going to receive digital yuan. They're going to use it throughout their visits to Beijing, and then they're going to take it back to their home countries. They see this as a huge advantage. Why? Because who controls the underlying protocols, who controls the underlying standards of the future of money will control the future of money.
Welcome to the Crypto Teacher. And guys, please like and subscribe if you do like what you're listening to. Please inform your friends and family and spread all over social media. It is imperative that we get back to learning finances and understand how the world really works. Because once we understand how the world really works, we understand that everything is planned out. Now, I want to thank those who purchased the books Cryptoteacher and the New World Order book. Remember, those books are mandatory because they show you how the world really works. Also, those who've donated to the Cash App, Patreon, much love, keep it coming. And then also those who have shopped at both stores, much love, keep it coming. And of course, guys, we get into Bitcoin and cryptos first. As we see, the market is flat. We do have a few cryptos doing pretty good today. Now, we know we have futures tomorrow. Now, basically, open interest fell about 60% from April, according to Arcane Research. But guys, we know there's going to be a pullback because we know the agenda of the Fed. But we are starting to see more and more real use cases, and that's going to be very important. I'm going to speak about that more in the video. But do not forget about the indicators, guys. You know we're going to have a volatile 2 weeks. We have volume. We have tether. We have Paxos CEO says trust is key to mainstream adoption for stable coins. We know the banks have been focused on stable coins. Stable coins are clearly the foundation. Us who've been in cryptos forever, we can care less about stable coins, but we do see how important they are, especially to the banking system. Now also, guys, we have USDC. Plus, guys, when you look at Tether, market cap still hasn't moved a lot. So please make sure you focus on that. Now we have the Fed. Do not forget to pay attention to the actual app, guys. $800 billion that was done yesterday. We can clearly see them manipulating the yields. That's the reason why we see the NASDAQ, S&P keep moving up when it was getting hit from those yield rates. So guys, we clearly see the manipulation. Only thing you have to do is take time and do your research. We also have futures, guys, Bitcoin and Ethereum. Just like I stated, Friday, CME, Binance, and the other exchanges. Please make sure you focus on the indicators. I do see us taking a small dip because we already dipped earlier in the week. And then, of course, we started moving up. Like I just stated, open interest may not be as big. But like I stated, we have these real use cases. I'm going to explain those later on in this video. Plus, guys, we have Grayscale, which is that big whale. Over 600,000 Bitcoin, guys. So definitely they can swing us either way. So do not keep your eyes off of Grayscale. That is definitely the chess piece. Now, we have a lot of news today and also very, very important news. We have the NYDIG and Q2 partners to enable Bitcoin trading for 18 million U.S. banking customers. So basically buying, selling, custody service to millions of Americans right from their bank account. So guys, we definitely see the adoption. We definitely know the plan. We know this. But they have to create the problem, wait for the reaction, and then running with the solution. So they just can't bring it to you. They have to get you to beg for it. Because we know at the end, all your privacy, they'll have total control over what you're buying. But the people are going to beg for this free money. And we know that programmable money is definitely coming. Now we have 6 of the world's biggest banks endorse the new SWIFT international payments platform. And that is November of 2022 next year. And what also goes into effect, I went over yesterday, that's right, ISO. We know the 4th industrial revolution is going to take about 4 to 5 years to build. Now we have FTX will allow users to trade tokenized stocks. Facebook, Google, Netflix, Nvidia, PayPal, Square, Tesla, all the new world order stocks. And then also we have the Swiss bank digital asset AG launches tokenized stock offerings on Solana. So guys, we know everything is going to be tokenized and put on blockchain. Plus we have Anchorage as custody for Salo Euro. And we know Salo, MIT, also work with the central banks. Do not forget I did a video on that. Now we have Coinbase enters Japan's market. And like I stated, guys, this stock is going up. Because remember, cryptos are global. Like the video of Jerome Powell I did yesterday, the economy, guys, is now global. No longer thinking about the United States, the US dollar's reserve currency. That is definitely over. But in Japan, they're going to start off with 5 major cryptos. Also, Coinbase unveiled Solidify tool to auto-audit smart contracts and DeFi clone. Now we have Gemini buys carbon credits to cut Bitcoin CO2 footprint. And guys, we all know this is an agenda. They made trillions of dollars with the oil and took over the globe. Now they're going to make trillions of dollars moving us over to renewable energy. It's the same New World Order game. Now we have asset manager QR launches Bitcoin ETF on Brazilian stock exchange. So guys, we have several Bitcoin ETFs around the globe, and it's really not affecting the price. When we get global regulation, Bitcoin is definitely going to take off. And do not forget, guys, Bitcoin Lightning is that main protocol. Now we have Novogratz-backed cryptology asset group invest $49 million more in Block.one. And don't forget, Block.one settled that lawsuit for the EOS project. And guys, do not forget, EOS was always voted #1 blockchain in China. I haven't looked up the list lately. Now we have the boss of ASX says digital ledger technology system will be bigger than all of crypto market, moving $3 trillion of securities to the system. Now, basically, I beg to differ, especially with the Maribor. Remember, a Maribor is going to be on Ethereum. You have hundreds of trillions of dollars in derivatives. And lastly, guys, we have Peter Thiel back exchange Bullish and talks to go public in SPAC merger. And what do I teach you? Definitely follow the money. But guys, all I have for you, don't forget about the books, Cryptoteacher and the New World Order book. Also, if you're new to cryptos, Coinbase, Bitrue, Binance, do not forget book links and crypto links are in the description. The Cryptoteacher stock channel. Do not forget about the stock channel. You have your Cobalt, your chip stocks, your banking, your gaming, where everybody's sitting at home, got their own stocks to see where the biotech stocks, and while everybody's at home getting free money and waiting on that free money, what are they doing? Drinking and smoking weed. Don't forget about those stocks, and you have a wonderful day.